I'm going to break down to you exactly how you can make an enormously successful YouTube channel with a very small following without ever showing your face. I'm the infamous Joel, and if it's your first time at this channel, make sure you subscribe because I talk about all kinds of ways of making money online. I show you how to fire your boss, and it's another year, it's another tax refund, and it's another year of you saying, probably you saying, man, I got to get the hell out of this job. I got to fire my boss and get this over and done with. Well, I'm going to break down to you one concept here: making faceless YouTube videos. People are scared of the camera. They're scared of being on YouTube and making videos and all this stuff. They look at me and they're like, oh my God, how can you just be on video all the time? It took me time. You don't have to be on video at all. Okay, I'm gonna break down to you exactly how that works. And you also don't have to have like this enormous following like people think. They think you need to have 1 million subscribers to any decent kind of income. You could actually make $1,000, $2,000 per month having a very small following. This channel makes plenty of money, and you see I'm not very big at this time right now. The trick is this, and we're gonna get into this a lot deeper, so bear with me. The trick is this: it's to stop listening to what the gurus say and start watching what they do. I can't stress that enough. I say this all the freaking time, but it doesn't seem like anybody ever listens to me. Stop listening to what they say and watch what they do. If you go on YouTube long enough, you type in how to make money online, how to make money using apps, how to make money watching YouTube videos, how to make money, it doesn't matter what it is. You're gonna find a lot of faceless videos, okay? So there's no such thing as like this mind block that you have where it's like, I need to be on camera to make a bunch of money, okay? No, you don't. You can make videos where you're just sharing the screen or you're just talking over a microphone like this. I don't know if you can see it. It's all simple stuff, okay? And the reason that those channels make so much money is because they're talking about making money. As simple as that. Just think of it like this. YouTube is how TV was back in the 80s and 90s. How do you think those TV channels made money? Okay, they didn't make money from your paying your cable bill and whatnot. They got nothing out of that. They made money from selling advertising. So just remember, when you create a YouTube channel, you decide to create one. After you watch this video, you better go decide to create one. You are now an advertiser. Basically, you are now creating content that advertisers are going to put their ads on. Right now in this video, maybe you saw an ad or two already. Okay, but that's how this channel gets paid. This channel gets paid by advertisers. And guess what kinds of videos advertisers really love putting their ads towards, right? Guess what kinds of videos get paid the most by advertisers? That's right, videos about making money. This channel is about making money online, but videos about making money in general. Doesn't matter if you're in real estate, if you're teaching people how to invest their money, if you're teaching people personal finance. Graham Stephen, I think his name is, he's a massive, enormous channel. He makes a ton of money just off the ads on that channel because his channel is about personal finance. His channel is about credit cards and investing in real estate and stuff like that. He has an enormous amount of ad revenue, I promise you that, okay? And it's passive. Now, what is passive? Just think about it. You upload a video one time. Now that video is out there in cyberspace just collecting you money, collecting you money, collecting you money. People are watching videos on their own time. You don't have to be awake. You don't have to punch in a clock. You don't have to do this like some kind of job or whatever. You are making a video one time, and then while you sleep, while you're out in Zimbabwe or something on vacation, I don't know where you want to go, and it's just collecting money for you, okay? That's how this stuff works. If you look at a lot of the gurus, right? And here's another thing. You think, well, I don't know how to make money. I don't know anything about real estate. I don't know anything about investing. I don't know anything about making money online. I don't know anything about any of this stuff. How can I start making videos about these topics if I don't know anything about it? I understand, because that's been a big roadblock for a lot of my clients in my courses and my programs, okay, which you can get down the link below. But here's what I say to that. I'm going to ask you a question. What makes more money, right? You physically sitting there making products, maybe you like arts and crafts, you make t-shirts or whatever. That stuff takes time, right? All the way up to the time where Henry Ford invented the assembly line and he found a faster way to make cars. It's always faster, 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 right? We're now in the information age. We're now in the internet age. Information is now the moneymaker. Information is now the most scalable business you can possibly have. And I know that the word business scares a lot of people, but hear me out. When you go to a job, you only have one job, and you go there for 8, 10, 12 hours and rinse, wash, and repeat. Your income is limited by your wage. Your income is limited by the hours you put into your job. When you're in the information age, now let's move on, let's evolve, right? When you're on YouTube and you're making faceless videos, you don't have to be on camera like me, right? You're making these faceless videos. Your videos now take on a life of their own. They go work for you. They work infinity hours, because once they're on YouTube, they're here forever for anyone to see. And when people are watching those videos, you're getting paid. Okay, now fixing the problem of what if I don't know what the hell I'm talking about? Guess what? Most gurus don't. Okay, if you look at channels like Wesley Virgin's channel, okay, Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin, I actually like the guy. I'm not trying to put him down. I like him. Kevin David, right? Look at some of the big gurus who talk about making money online and stuff like that. They make videos like how to make $300 a minute by typing, how to sell your photos online. I have some videos like that on this channel. Now you have to ask yourself, how can one person do all these different online hustles, right? They have like 500 videos about all these different things. Are they really doing this stuff? The answer is absolutely not. It's not possible. I'm not doing all that stuff. The only thing I'm doing is affiliate marketing. That's true. I am doing affiliate marketing. That means I'm selling other people's products, right? And I've made 6 figures doing that just with a really small following. You can do it too, okay? And if you want to learn more about that, click on the link down below, get my course. It's not a multi-thousand billion gajillion dollar course. It's very affordable, and it breaks down to you exactly a lot of what we're talking about today. Faceless videos, how to get your affiliate links, how to promote other people's products and services and make money that way. It's super simple. It's 2022. And honestly, the whole industrial age stuff where you have to get up and go to work and bust your ass and do all this stuff, you don't have to do that stuff anymore. You really don't. I'm not just saying that because I'm trying to sell you my course, even though wink, wink, go ahead and get it. But I'm dead serious. You really don't. I'm the most uneducated, like goofball person on the planet. How am I making money doing this stuff? It's super simple. That's why. Anybody can do it. None of this stuff is rocket science, okay? Just pay attention. The gurus don't know what they're talking about either. They're just watching YouTube channels. You're watching my YouTube channel. You're watching my YouTube videos, and you get ideas. Just think about it. You can teach infinitely, but you can't do infinitely. Think about that. When you make a video, you are teaching forever. It's much more profitable and scalable to just sit around and teach. That's all you need to do. If those gurus actually took the time to do all that stuff that they were saying that they do in all those videos, they'd have absolutely no time. Okay, they'd never sleep. They'd die. Okay, they just pass out and die. It's not possible to do all that stuff. All I do is make these videos. I recommend to you affiliate links and some of my courses and stuff like that, and I make money like that. You don't even have to sell courses. You just sell other people's stuff. Sell my course. I give you commissions, 40%, and some other stuff and blah, blah, blah bonuses. But look, you don't have to do any of that hard stuff, okay? And making videos on YouTube without showing your face is super, super simple. People still watch them. They still get thousands of views a day. They still make thousands of dollars a month just from the ad revenue. And then you add affiliate links to it on top of that, like the ones you find in the description below. It's game over. And that's all you have to do. Okay, I just wanted to ramble and come on here and tell you that this stuff is super simple, guys. Like, anybody who's on the fence or anybody who's been struggling with this stuff for a long time, I get it. The main reason that you're probably struggling, and if you can watch my last video, which I'll leave a link to up here in the corner, where I talked about why you should quit affiliate marketing, a lot of times it really does boil down to you. It really does. There's a lot of distractions. Everyone's telling you to do all this different stuff, but it's simple. It's really simple. A lot of the online making money, online stuff industry, and everybody fighting each other for audiences and courses and making money and all this stuff. Listen, it's very competitive, and everyone is trying to pull you in different directions. And at the end of the day, it's only hurting you, right? There's always the new secret. There's always the better way. There's always this. There's always that. But you have to have the mentality of straight line right to my goals. If you choose me as your mentor, as somebody who's going to guide you, you know, subscribe to the YouTube channel again. and take the course and follow the path. Everything in there that I've done to get to 6 figures is in there. I hold nothing back, and just follow the course. That's it. Follow the course. You see testimonials on this channel of everyone who's just followed the course and done what I told them to do. None of this stuff is hard. It really isn't hard. Okay, so with that being said, make faceless YouTube videos. Put your links in the description. Do it once, twice, 3 times a week, or whenever you have time. Don't overthink your videos. None of it has to be super difficult. Okay, none of it has to be over the top, like I have to make the best video of all time. Some of the dumbest videos I've made on this channel, you know, and some of the dumbest videos I've ever seen, like, have massive views and all this. It's crazy. You never really know what the algorithm's gonna choose to go viral and everything. You never really know. Every guru who says they know, they're full of crap. And honestly, it's kind of like a what's the word I'm looking for? It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. Because if you think about it, the gurus that say, hey, this is how you get 1 million subscribers in a week. Well, if you make a video called how to make get 1 million subscribers in a week, you're probably gonna get a lot of views on that video, and it appears to the untrained eye that you know what you're talking about, but you don't. Right? Nobody knows what they're talking about. Nobody knows how YouTube actually works, because YouTube doesn't release that information, right? There's some good guesses. There's some good educated guesses. I've made a few myself. I've learned from some big gurus that say, oh, that kind of makes sense. But they're just educated guesses at the end of the day. At the end of the day, all that matters is your consistency, post videos, get your affiliate links, and just keep at it. That's it. Just keep doing what you're doing. Or if you haven't done it yet, just start doing what you need to do. And in 2023, I don't want to see you at a job, okay? I don't want to see you report to someone and say, hey, boss, how are you doing? You don't need to do that, okay? Make this the year where you don't have to do that stuff anymore.